Hey guys, good morning. I hope you guys are doing great. So it is currently 9:30 a.m. and I am ready for our workshop. People are working. We have been trying to settle everything down. This is my outfit. It's a beautiful sari. That's my tag, an ID card which is not coming right now. And I have flowers on my hair, but I hope you guys can see it. Oh, I hope you guys saw it. So there's Divya. Run, 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 run. Oh, she can't run, so I have to pause. So there is Divya.
Hi.
Look at her. She's so pretty. Can you vlog me? Can you vlog my story? Abhishek, what's up? How's work going?
It's going well.
Going well? You look sad.
No, I don't look sad. I'm just sleepy.
Sleepy? Wow, that's a great way to start today's workshop. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. My face is still drying from the setting spray, so this video was just a random...
I don't mean to be so uptight.
So this video is just a random video that I decided to shoot. Today I have a workshop to attend in college, and I decided to do this makeup look. I hope you guys like it. If you guys like it, please hit that thumbs up button, share, comment, and subscribe.
Hello again. So right now I'm just scrubbing. I scrubbed my lips already and I'm just going to apply some Vicks because Vicks has menthol in it and it actually is based on Vaseline, so it's good for your lips. I'm going to move on by applying some moisturizer. I've linked down everything else in the description. And I'm going to move on to my foundation. I'm going to take a stippling brush and apply stipple it onto my face and just blend. So today I just decided to actually do this video, and in fact the day I'm doing the voiceover is technically a month. Shit, it's more than a month. So this workshop happened on March 15th and I'm editing this video on May 3rd. Technically that's 2 months, and the reason mainly for this delay, and if I've not been posting any effortful videos. I mean, if you guys get what I'm saying. Like, I didn't take so much effort in most my recent videos, not more research, not more anything, because I've been busy with my project work, and I know that's not a good excuse, but here I am back, and I'm gonna move on by telling you the story after I apply my 2 concealers, technically 1 concealer from NARS and the darker shade from NYX, because, well, it's a dark girl skin problem. Technically, I need to buy 2 different products to match my skin tone for contour. So, as I was saying earlier, I have no idea what I was saying earlier now. Yeah, so the fact that I've posted this video, though I have shot this 2 months earlier, is technically because I had my final review coming up and etc. while I was like winding up my undergraduate. So today is the day I'm editing is May 3rd, 2018, and today is the day I finished my final review. I've got my course confirmation report. Technically, I've got my ID card punched and all that fancy smancy shit, which means that I'm no longer a student in SRM, and the fact that I am a undergraduate from SRM University. If you guys have no idea where I'm studying, most of you are my friends from SRM who are my viewers, so I'm assuming half of you know where I study. So I'm just blending. I think I forgot my nose, so I just applied my nose contour now, and I'm just like resuming to blendy. Let's blend. Let's blend. I'm gonna apply some pressed powder onto my face now, because I live in one of the most tropical countries and the most sunny places in entire of India, and I really don't want my skin to freaking oil the heck out. So I'm just like packing it up with some pressed powder. So by this time I'm actually just wearing the sari blouse. I've not worn the sari yet, And my eyebrows, actually, I'm just like, I was too tired to fill it in properly, so I just like really drew a harsh thick line and decided to conceal the sides of it and make it look like a thick eyebrow. Like I was going for the, was it Lily Calling? No, the Cara Delevingne look. Then I'm just gonna apply some highlighter onto my cheekbone and my nose, and then I'm gonna apply some, okay, I'm just like reducing the highlight, and then I'm just gonna apply some contour on my face. And well, can I be faster than this? I don't think so. And then I'm gonna apply some blush on the apples of my cheek. And I'm gonna apply some highlight right on top of my Cupid's bow, and that looked nice. And I'm gonna apply some highlight on top of my brow bone. Is it the brow bone? I think it's the bottom.
So I just went put on my sari and some jewelry. My hair is still wet. Wore some bangers, and I just wore my trusty bracelet in this hand. I'm gonna move on to my eyes. For my eyes, I felt like just applying golden pigment and applying thick layer of eyeliner. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So I'm applying some golden shade onto my eyelid. I will list down the pigments down below, or I'll put it beside, somewhere there. I'm gonna take my blending brush and apply a darker pigment of the golden, the crease. Taking some of the golden that I applied in my eye to the corner of my eye, inner corner of the eye, as well as the bottom, just to open the eye. And I'm gonna take the shade brown that I applied on the crease underneath my eye, along with some of the golden too. Oh my god, that my face is so... And that is the eyeshadow look. I'm gonna apply some kajal. I'm gonna take the same pencil which I used as kajal and apply Bro, are my eyes equal?
This one, no, this one is not. This one, the wing is more up. This one's like, I mean, it's not a. Do you see?
Oh, makes sense. Can you tell me if it's fine now?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Oops.
Yeah.
Better? So I'm done applying my kajal and my eyeliner, and I'm gonna move on to mascara. Oops. Mascara. What's up? Drink some hot water or green tea. So in this get ready with me, I'm clearly not doing my hair at all at the end, because personally for me in India, the humidity is so high that my hair, once it's dried, it just puffs up, and I just tend to naturally go for a bun or just, you know, like that, the normal hairstyle that I do. That's just a half pony and then a push. So I'm just like, do I really have to do that right now? And it's extremely dry. It is 7:40 and I have to be in the hall by 8, so I'm already late. And I've applied my mascara. This is my makeup look. So I'm applying Huda Beauty's Flirt.
Do you have fixing spray?
I'm just a fixing spray if you have one.
Oh yeah, I do. What the watermelon is what?
I don't know whose it was. How are you feeling? How are you feeling? What do I do now?
Just take.
It's dripping?
Yes, maybe.
Okay. You don't want to come in the video. Oh shit, I tasted it.
Is that all for the video?
Yeah. If you guys like more of this video, I will keep doing more of these. So please comment down below if you guys want more of these, and also if you have suggestions for any other videos that I have to do later. Bye!